Hello, it's Kelly, and I am back with another process video. I am scrapbooking this one picture of my grandson and his birthday cake. I just love this picture of him. He was just about to blow out his birthday candle, so I am using a collection by Bella Blvd. This is called the Wish Big collection. This is the boys collection. I just recently scrapbooked a photo of my granddaughter's birthday using the Wish Big Girls collection. So I love these collections. They're really pretty and fun. So what I'm doing right now is I want to create a border that's going to peek out from underneath my base page, I guess. So I'm going to set that paper, that cardstock on top of this, and I just wanted a colorful border around it to bring in some of those colors from the die cuts. So because this layout was all about the die cuts, I really just wanted to play with die cuts mainly today. I just saw this package of cute little ephemera pieces and wanted to just play with them, so I was inspired to use them. So that's what I'm using for this layout, and I'm going to use a whole bunch of them. So some might say this layout turns out too busy, but I say I love it. I really had fun. So I'm using some of the pattern paper to back this photo with, just to give it a little bit of a border around the photo. And I lost some of my footage because I film on my camera and I thought I had my phone set to do not disturb, but apparently I did not, because my phone rang and I lost a little bit of my footage. So that's okay, because you can see what I'm doing here. I am just using the die cuts to kind of create my own background paper in a sense. I'm trying to create a little bit of a party around the photo, if you will. So I just think all these little critters are so cute, and I wanted to use them all, but my normal way of layering things on top of each other just didn't seem to work out as I was, playing with these pieces. So I thought, well, I'll just scatter them around the page and leave a bit of a blank space around each element, like try to give it a kind of a margin around each element, just for some continuity. And the critters are all adhered directly to the cardstock, while all the circles are backed with some foam adhesive, so they have a little dimension, as does the little speech bubble that says Happy Cake Day right next to the photo. And then I'm taking some of these cute little word stickers, or word strips, gosh, and place them around. And then I'm going to use a whole bunch of these brads to fill in some of my spots, some of the little blank spots. So I got a whole lot of product used up on this page. A whole lot, which makes me happy. I feel like I'm using my products, and that's always a good thing. So they're not just sitting there not being used, they are getting put to good use. So this is a different kind of layout for me, but I love how it turned out. This was a lot of fun to create, and I was inspired. So sometimes just certain things pop out at you, when you're looking through your stash and like, oh, I really want to play with that, and go with that. That is inspiration striking. So, and I really didn't have a plan. I just knew that I wanted to play with that die cut pack, and play I did. So and I think about that frog, and he ends up staying there. I had that one little guy left over, and I was like, I really want to use him, but I don't know where. So, and then I remembered I had these, because I wanted some kind of shelf for all of this to sit on. And so I remembered I had these ribbon type, this trim that was adhesive back. I got these at Hobby Lobby quite a while back, and I thought, yeah, those, and they're the perfect color and everything. So I used 3 of those little strips across the bottom there, just to thought about putting it there, and I was like, nah, I put it down there. But I just loved how that worked out. And that is about the end of the layout. Ooh, what happened there? So I'm just showing here, and I will go back. I'm about to show you. I'm going to use washi tape and put it on the back of all of those, so they don't poke through my page dividers or my page protectors. And I appreciate you guys watching. I know this was a pretty quick video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.